can see that there is flurry of activities here. All the experts are around here, civil engineers, structural engineers, surveyors, everybody's here to ensure that we get a home that is near the dream of Kiptum. Because Kiptum had his own plans. He was methodical if you look at what he was doing. And as a hero of this country, a star that we thought will come now and push athletics further and make us as proud as his predecessors. We have to give him a befitting send-off, and more so, we have to make the family settle as part of government's contribution.